Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCullum. I just have a really quick update on our Kickstarter campaign for Tiger Stripe, the Vietnam Camouflage Story, and that is we got a tremendous amount of feedback asking for our camouflage pattern book to be available as just an add-on extra item. So this is kind of like a paint sample swatch book, but it is made up of, in fact, about 180 different tiger stripe and related camouflage patterns pulled from the photography for the overall book. And like at 180 patterns, it's basically every variation and related pattern of tiger stripe that came out of the Vietnam War. It includes the French lizard, it includes ERDL, includes a bunch of other really interesting camo patterns. It's essentially everything in this overall book, but available as basically color sample swatches that you can flip through. You can have two open at the same time and compare them. And I think we think it's a really cool add-on. We had it as part of our collector edition package. And by far the single biggest comment we've gotten on the Kickstarter campaign is people asking for a way to add that on to, say, a standard regular edition copy of the book. So we have gone ahead and done that. We've added it both as a standalone pledge level. So on the off chance you don't even want the book, you just want this pattern guide, pattern book, that is an option. And then we also have it available as an add-on. If you've pledged for any other version of the book, you can go ahead and add on one of those pattern books. So we're pretty excited about it. I think it's going to be a really cool piece of useful, I want to say equipment, but not sort of equipment, but a really cool reference tool to be able to compare camouflage patterns in tiger stripe, where there are a lot of patterns that are really fairly similar to each other. So that's all I had for you. I have a link to the Kickstarter campaign down below. If you haven't joined in yet, well, maybe this is a really good time too, and you can add one of the pattern books as an add-on to a pledge. If you have already pledged and you would like to do an add-on of the pattern book, we have an email that you will get through Kickstarter that will give you a little step-by-step, in case you're not familiar how to do it, how to add that to an existing pledge. Our email will walk you through that, and you'll receive that through Kickstarter independent of this video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you next time.